All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this short video. I just uploaded a video where you can see how the testnet works for Atleta coin. So yeah, let me scroll under to show you. Here you have the video. It's a 12-minute video, so I highly suggest that you go through this video. And then if you click here, let's click on it. Oh, I opened it here already, but anyway. Here you can go through a lot of things about blockchain sports. And if you click here on the three lines, I'm gonna click on it. And here you have it, Atleta in Dutch. Here you have a calculator. Here you have all the links. And also here, let me click on it. Here you have the video. If you go a little bit up, here you have also a very interested video, Limitless and Blockchain Sports Opportunity, an overview made by Michael Faust on July the 4th. So I highly suggest that you watch this video. And also, as you can see here below, 3 video tutorials, fast start video. You have video 1, 2, 3. Let me go here. And here you have it, video 1, and so on. Video 2, here you have my referral link. Oh, excuse me. Then fast start video 2, video 3. I just wanted to make this video because a lot of people are asking me how Atleta testnet works and so on. But here you have it. Here you have a very well explained video. It was a couple of days ago that he made this video, and now we have more things going on the testnet. You can do a lot more. You can stake, you can collect coins, points, and so on. But anyway, highly suggest go to this website here. Let me go to my Facebook account to show you where you can have, or where you can get access to the website. Here you have it. And also, here we have a new promo YouTube video. Excuse me. Oh, here you have it. Very nice video made by Atleta, the founders. And here you can also have some information about everything. Also here you have a free calculator. I'm gonna click on it to show you. Here you go. And you can do it also here in files, and then you have here the calculator. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit how it looks like, because I uploaded, I guess, one moment. Yeah, I put this video today, then this video, and then we have also here all the links needed. And then we have here our blockchain sports calculator. And also here Let me see. Where can I find that video by Michael? I highly suggest that you watch this video also. Here, this one. Let me play a little bit. Oh, because I'm streaming or recording, the video doesn't play. But anyway, I highly suggest, as you can see here, how do you gain with the Atleta blockchain ecosystem and Atla token. So yeah, go for it. In my opinion, it's one of my best offers that I came across in all the time that I'm online marketer or whatever you name it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Watch those videos and you'll be glad you did it, because it's an opportunity that will have has a lot of potential. For example, let's see, let me go to show you a little bit also some promo things. Let me click here and then let's go to YouTube, for example. Here you're gonna see the ambassadors of Blockchain Sports Football. Let me click on video. Here you have a lot of videos. We have also the motorsport. Here your gateway to the whitelist rule guide, Atleta, and so on. Let me go back here. One moment. It was here, I suppose. No. Oh, here. Let's go back one more time. Let me go to Instagram. Oh, very funny. It doesn't work. Yeah, but anyway, you have an ID. Let me go back. That's funny. It has to work. Let's go to the website to check. Here you go. We have Atleta, we have football,
blockchain,
and
also the Atla token, because they are very important, obviously, and when we're creating
I guess
a blockchain
it's this video that's
ecosystem.
playing here.
And in your back office,
here. Oh, now it stops. Funny. Anyway, let me pause the video. Let's go back here. Let's go to motorsport. So you have an idea how big this company is. In my opinion, it's one of the biggest companies that I was involved with. Here you have it, Motorsports Academy. Yeah. The future looks bright with blockchain sports. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have a question, reach out to me. But if you go here, one moment. If you go here to this link, you will find everything you need to get involved with this beautiful project. Thank you for watching. See you in one of my next videos. Robert, Belgium. God bless you all.